Best CD rate for 2024 up to 5.65%. With skyrocketing mortgage rates, uncertainty in job market, unstable financial rates as you already know, unstable inflation rate and unpredictable geopolitical situation across the globe, you might be struggling to find out where to park your cash, how to gain financial stability, and how to make sure your work towards your financial future is working out the way you expected. In this video, I will share details about how you can accomplish your financial goals using certificate of deposit, also known as CD. While your concern could be money gets locked in for a certain period of time, take a look right here, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year. No worries, I'll show you a way how you can reduce your lock period without penalty, how you can earn higher and best interest rates without locking your money for a long period of time using another CD called brokered CD. I'll share what is the difference between brokered CD versus bank CD. Hello everyone, welcome back to Moneymaker channel, where we talk about how you can make money, save money, and how you put money back to work for you. Today we are diving into certificate of deposit, a steady path to financial stability, certificate of deposits, as many of you know them as CDs. In this video, we'll explore why CDs can be a great investment option for your financial goal. If you enjoyed the content about personal finance, investment, and wealth building, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and ring the notification bell for more insightful video. Now let's talk about what is a certificate of deposit and how you can earn the best interest it can be possible into the market. Here I wanted to share with you the best CD rates for January 2024, and you can earn with the traditional CD, which means 1 year of lock period, 2 year of lock period, or maybe 3 years of lock-in period, up to 5% interest rates. Number one is Barclays for 5%. Before that, I wanted to show you that you can also find out better CDs across various financial institutions. So as an example, for Bright Bank, you can earn 5.60% of annual percentage yield or APY for 9-month term CD. And with that, you can lock in your money for 9 months if you're not going to use that. I want to share one of the calculators, CD calculator for your reference. And I'll share this link into the description section below. If your initial deposit is $75,000 and you want to invest this money for 3-month period at 5.65% of interest rate. Change this 5.65% for 3 months. In this example, for 3 months, if you put $75,000 for 3 month worth of period at annual percentage yield or APY of 5.65%, you're going to earn interest of $1,037.64. Remember, the national average earning return on their investment is $315.81, whereas your return is $1,037.64, which is way higher than what an average individual could earn. You can change this calculator and this fields very quickly to figure out how much interest you can earn. So for this particular example, going back to the best CD that we got for 5.60% for 9 months, let's talk about how much money you can make. So for $75,000, 9 months, 5.65% of interest rate, you are going to earn $3,156.19. If you invested $75,000 as an initial deposit, your overall growth with your principal amount is going to be $78,156.19. That is going to be your total balance. Key here is that the CD comes with a predetermined maturity date, and during this time your money earns interest. Let's explore why this investment option is gaining popularity. But before I go there, I can also share a quick tip with you. You can find brokered CD, and I have this example on Fidelity. And you can find out on many financial institutions, Fidelity, Vanguard, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, they all have brokered CD. Now in this example, Fidelity offers investors brokered CD issued by the bank for the customer of the brokerage firm. The CDs are usually issued in the large denomination for the brokerage firm that divides them into smaller denomination for resale. Here are the brokered CDs. So if you have an account, you should be able to find out. If you do not have an account, go to fidelity.com, take a look into planning and advice, or rather take a look into news and research, click on fixed income bonds and CD, and you should be able to get to this page where you can find out CD and letters. And click on CD and letters and you should be able to identify for 3 months, Fidelity is offering 5.30%. For 6 months, you can get a brokered CD for 5.15%. For 9 months, you can get 5.05% and you can find out the best option that you can have for yourself. What is a brokered CD? Now, this is a new term for many individuals, many investors. Brokered certificate of deposit or a brokered CD is that the investor purchases through the brokerage firm from a sales representative other than a bank. Although the bank still initiates the CD with it outsourcing, selling it with the firms offering the incentive to attract new investors. What is the key takeaway here? A brokered CD is a CD that an investor purchases through the brokerage firm or sales representative rather than the direct bank. This is not your traditional Bank of America, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Chase, and you may not have even account with all these banks and you can still get a better interest rate. Bank still initiates the broker CD, but the outsource, it is selling it to the firm that they are trying to find potential investors. So they want to attract new investors and they want to collect more money in the form of deposit from the investors. Brokered CD is typically yielding more than the regular CDs because they are in more competitive market. Brokered CDs are generally offered a much more higher interest rates and flexibility than the traditional CD. Lastly, the brokered CD is having a flexibility that can make it easier for investors to make mistakes. You can find different terms. And what do I mean by different terms? Let's go back and I can share a quick example with you. So this is from Fidelity. Now this CD is offering 5.3% interest rate for 3 months. So let's scroll down and you can find out the same information. If you have a Fidelity account, log in and your own password, go to the steps that I shared and you should be able to figure this out. Take a look. This is a particular bank in the description. This is the coupon for 5.25% and this matures January 31st, 2024. While you can only lock in your money for 1 month, you can still earn the APY of 5.25%, which is one of the best APY available into the market. If you want to figure out how much money you made, let's say with our previous example, $75,000 with 5.25%. Let's go back and take a look. $75,000 right here, and we are going to say 1 month, and our interest rate is going to be 5.25%. So I changed it to 5.25% for 1 month. So here is your period, here is your APY, and here is your initial deposit. So within 1 month, you should be able to earn $320.48 as the return on your investment. So this is going to be your earning, $320.48. Now think about, let's say if you are saving home purchase. So you want to buy a home, but you don't know when you're going to get the mortgage done, when you're going to find your home that you like, what is the best market, and let's say you want to lock in that money for 2 months. So take a look. If you bought that CD or a brokered CD, 5.25% for 2 months, you should be able to earn $642.34. Many of you may have saved, let's say $200,000 for your down payment buying a home. So let's say if you do $200,000 for 3 months and you bought this CD for 5.25% APY, you should be able to earn $2,574.85. And your total principal end interest is going to be $202,574.85, which is going to be your total balance as you see on this calculator. I'll link down this calculator into the description below so you can leverage and use that as well. Going back to my example with this CD, you can figure out what is the best term for you, how you want to buy the CD, what is the top paying rate for your time frame, and when you want your money back. So let's say if you want your money back in February instead of January, you should be still able to get the coupon for 5.30% interest rates. In this example, this particular interest rate or the coupon that you see right here on my screen is better than 1 month. You should be able to buy from Tradition Capital Bank for 5.30 as well. So this could be based on what you really want to do, for how long, what is your interest rate, and how long you want to lock in your CD. It all depends upon you. So how this CD is going to look like? You can go ahead and click one of this CD right here. I have an example for JP Morgan Chase Bank. Now remember, you're not going to go to JP Morgan Chase Bank. You're going to buy the CD from your own couch in your own home if you have a Fidelity account in this example. This is not a sponsored video. This is nothing that I'm promoting. I'm just sharing what I found the information from Fidelity.com. Now if you go to Fidelity.com, you may not be able to see the same CD that I'm showing you because this is again a brokered CD and it changes day by day, hour by hour. So for this particular CD, JP Morgan Chase Bank is offering 5.05% for the CD that expires or matures on October 7th, 2024. And this is for the 9-month period with the annual percentage yield of 5.05% with minimum investment of $1,000. So you can invest $1,000, $5,000, $15,000, $100,000, or whatever is your total investment. Pay frequency is going to be at the maturity date, and you should be able to find all the information about this particular brokered CD, and you should do your own due diligence and research. I am not a financial advisor, nor I'm a certified professional. I'm sharing this information only for the entertainment purposes and educational purposes. Is this CD FDIC insured? Yes. The CD for certificate number is available. Minimum investment is $1,000 and incremental investment should be $1,000, which means cannot buy $1,500 in terms of this brokered CD. It should be $1,000, $2,000, $10,000, $15,000, a multiplier of $1,000. There's a survivor option. Yes. There's blue sky state. No. There are certain states that you cannot really buy and operate this CD from, so make sure. Now you can click on this blue sky state and you should be able to get all the information that you're looking for. The state of the bank or bank state is Ohio. Federally taxable amount or not? Yes, you pay the taxes on the earning that you earn from this CD. Is this marginable? No. What is the issue date? As to when the CD will start paying you interest, it is going to be January 5th, 2024. So this could be a perfect example if you want to make money in 2024 using brokered CD, and which is a relatively safer investment. Now another option that you want to make sure is what is the redemption feature looks like. Call protection? No. Continuously callable? No. And then there is a workout date that you can also find out. You should make sure that the coupon is call protected or not, how long you have to lock in, so on and so forth. Now you can also get the coupon details, which means here it is showing you the interest rates, 5.050%. It's a fixed coupon type. Current effective date is 22nd of December 2023. It has more information about foreign. Foreign? No. International? No. And all this information is available right here. You should have comparable information on your brokerage, whatever you're using, whether you're using Fidelity or Vanguard or anything else. Understanding brokered CD. Brokered CDs are generally commanded for a higher yield than bank CDs, and they are in more competitive market. Broker has invested a large sum with this bank and generates more interest than smaller amounts, and with all that, as with all all CDs, holder will receive the full principal with the interest at the maturity. In general, CDs are saving certificates, while many retail bank investors that they have more complex than other financial services. In this example, you cannot really keep opening newer and newer accounts. Let's say if JP Morgan Chase, going back to this example, if you do not have really an account with Forbright Bank and you want to earn 5.6% interest rate, you will have to go to this bank, open an account, or maybe you have to go to Alliant and you have to open an account, or you have to go to Marcus by Goldman Sachs and open an account to earn 5.50% interest rate with a minimum deposit of $500 and an estimated earning of $1,375, as you can see right here. However, if you are still doing some traditional way going into the bank, here are some best interest rates that you can find on my screen. CIBC Bank USA is offering 5.66% with minimum deposit of $1,000. CD term is 1 year. Boeing Employee Credit Union offers 5.60% right now at the moment for a term CD of 3 months. Your money will be locked only for 3 months and you can earn 5.60% interest. Lending Club, on the other hand, is offering 5.55% interest rates for 1 year term CD with the minimum deposit of $2,500. Another compelling reason to consider CDs is that the predictability of the return with fixed interest rates, as you know exactly how much interest you're going to get in terms of the investment that you have made using many CD calculator, as you can see on the screen. This predictability is especially beneficial for those who prefer a stable and steady income stream or want to plan for specific financial goals, such as down payment on a home or funding major purchases. CDs offer a range of term of options with short-term and long-term, whether you're looking for a place to park your money for a few months or several years. There is likely a CD term that aligns with your financial goals. Short-term CDs may be suitable for immediate financial needs, while long-term CDs can provide you an avenue for wealth building and future planning. While the fixed income or the fixed-term CD offers the stability, it's essential to be aware of the penalty for early withdrawal, which is why traditional bank CDs are sometimes not suitable for many people. Now, with understanding and planning with this penalty is crucial while considering CDs, to be sure to align the term of the CD with your financial goals. In conclusion, Certificate of Deposit offers unique blend of safety, predictability, flexibility, making them great investment options for those who are seeking financial stability. Furthermore, brokered CDs gives you a ton more flexibility with the highest, best possible interest rates. However, like any other investments, it is essential to evaluate your individual financial situation, your goal as deciding factor. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Share it with others who might benefit out of this, and let me know in the comment section below if you have considered investing in any CDs. Subscribe for more content on financial, personal finance, investment, wealth building. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.